Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you manifest some extra money to make sure you snatch up some BTC. And today we're going to be talking about how to do a buy on a pre-sale. I've been having a lot of people ask me, as far as the money bag alerts, are we going to be doing any pre-sales? So late last night, I stood looking around and I didn't want to miss on the trend, right? We know what the trend is right now. We hear everything Grok this, Grok that, but also Inu. And we know how the babies do. So you got a combination of that. And what I noticed when I came to the X page is that we see a lot of buy competitions. We see a lot of familiar call channels. And we'll talk about the call channels and what they wrote in just a bit. But something I want to focus on really quick was something that Crypto Messiah said was this right here. It looks stupid. I'm not buying that meme. Goes up 40,000%. I mean, we've been seeing this happen. We are in the bull market. We are not in the bull run just yet. But let's go ahead and retweet this actually. Make sure if you're part of this community, you guys tap in with the TG link that I have down below in the description. We'll be doing AMAs. We'll be talking about baby Grok Inu, everything crypto, BTC, ETH, whatever you want to talk about. It's going to be happening there. AMAs. You guys can support the call that I did on this one. You guys can see some of the buys that came in, some of the people hitting the emoji. So if you want to support baby Grok Inu, definitely tap in on the Money Bags Mansion. You guys are not going to want to miss out. But we see a lot of buy competition. So there's some or shield to earn, basically we can almost call it in a way, but a meme contest where you guys are doing a $50 giveaway. Hurry up. The rules is just retweet, follow baby Grok Inu BNB, tag two friends, get 25 bucks. So there's a lot of buy comps going on. There's actually a buy competition going on in the TG. That's why I keep saying that. But there's a lot of shilling competition going on right now where you guys can win $50 giveaway, $25 retweet and follow. So there's a lot of heavy hitters that I'm familiar with as far as this goes. And the reason I'm bringing that up is when we go to the Pinksale launch and we go to, this is what it's going to look like when you're looking for pre-sales on Pinksale. You're going to go to pinksale.finance. You're going to hit the launch pads. You're going to come down to launch pad list and you're going to scroll. And right away, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. We got Grok God, Bonk Grok. We got Viper King. We got the Flokies. We got Grok Moon. But notice how much Grok is on right now. And all we need is one tweet from Elon, anything Grocky whatsoever, and this thing's going to take off pretty fast. We got Grok Sheeb right here. But I had checked this one out last night. It's got 100 BNB soft cap, and I already got a heart on it. If you're rocking with this one, go ahead and leave a heart. I'm going to have this. Actually, we're also going to talk about why we need to do incognito page, because I kept trying to do it on Chrome, but it wasn't working. I said, you know what? I'm still gonna do the video because somebody else can be going through this. Somebody can be going through the exact same problem that I'm having on Pinksale on Chrome. I even tried on the Brave browser, which is one that I use quite often, but neither was working neither on the Brave browser nor on the Chrome. So if you're having troubles with Pinksale for whatever reason, just do it incognito. We're gonna open that up right now. Got this right here. Actually, one second. Right here. So we have the incognito. Now we're going to talk about why I was talking about the call channels. There's a buy competition happening right now in the Telegram and all that shilling competition going on. The Telegram has grown. It's over 1,000 people in there already. So I call this one, we're very early. I already did a buy. I'm going to show you guys how to tap into this preset, but I want to go over this. Baby Grok Inu, revolutionizing AI tech, inspired by Elon Musk. Grok AI, it promises endless possibilities like ChatGPT. It's a dynamic force, leveraging AI prowess for innovation, redefining the landscape with Musk vision. Safety's a priority in this SafeU environment. So join the AI-driven evolution. Previous projects soared over 6,000%, 30% of the supply already burnt, 7% tax on the buys and sells, 1% reflections, and 5% going to the marketing. Vetted team, CMC, and CG listed paid call channels. And when we come over here, a lot of times this doesn't happen. So when we come over here to their X page at Baby Grok Inu BNB, we can see that, there are some big call channels. We got Altcoin Gems. This is 324,000 followers on Altcoin Gems. We also have Mr. Bigwell, which almost everybody knows Mr. Bigwell. That's 143,000 followers on Mr. Bigwell. We got Floki Whale Calls, 99,000. So we got some big Mr. X. Not familiar with this one, but a lot of people are, because a lot of people that follow me also follow Mr. X, and we see 344,000. So there's shilling competitions going on. There's meme competitions going on. There's $100 here, $50 giveaway there. So there's money sitting on the table. And basically what I see is that they are at least saying what they mean and mean what they say, as far as talking about the launch pad and what they're doing right here with CMC and CG listed paid call channels. Okay, so we see that there's so far 3 BNB has been entered into this pre-sale. I have my wallet connected up here. This is a tutorial wallet. I've already bought in. What I do like is that there's an incentive, 5% affiliate. And check this out. This person already, this link is already doing really well. We got 0.15 in BNB rewards. So amount 0.1, 100%, and 0.5 BNB. That is epic right there. So there are incentives wrapped around this one all over. I'm going to have this link down below if you guys want to use this affiliate link. Cool. If you guys don't, no big deal. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, but your reward is 1.5 BNB. So far, that's what's going on right now when I posted the link. So we're going to keep spreading the word on this one. But let's go ahead and connect the wallet. Actually, my wallet's already connected. What you would do if you're having trouble on, Google Chrome or Brave browser or any other browser, start an incognito browser on the top right. Go incognito and connect your wallet on the top right. You're going to see the wallet connect. Then you would come down here, right below here, and say how much you want to put in. So I'm going to put in 0.1. So we go 0.1 BNB. We're going to be watching our wallet. I'm using a SafePal wallet, and then we're going to hit buy BNB. So my wallet's already connected. Put the amount, hit confirm on my wallet on my phone once it asked me for that permission. And I would have done it the other way where it would have the drop down, but like I said, it wasn't working. And if this is something you want to get in and haven't had the chance to, then we already know that a loophole that you can do is start an open an incognito page and make sure that you connect your wallet and then do so. We see the transaction went through. We can see that the amount has went up that I contributed so far. The amount of people is 14. So I've already added quite a 0.2. I plan on adding 1 bean to this. I want to catch the wave. I want people to be able to take the opportunity of the Inu drive that's going on. We got things locked in as far as Bitcoin ETFs. We have possible ETH ETFs in the future. So there's a lot of bullish things going on around crypto altogether. And this is how you use Pinksale to buy into a pre-sale. We've been seeing a lot of pre-sales take off, and people, just like what Crypto Messiah said on this tweet right here, look stupid, don't want to look at it. Next thing you know, 40,000%. I've been in this position before. I was through the last bull market. I experienced the harsh bear market like a lot of OGs and veterans. Like and subscribe if you're an OG and veteran. Leave some comments down below. If you're new, like and subscribe if you're a veteran. Leave some comments down below. And make sure you use that link, the Money Bags Mansion link down below. We're gonna be posting about baby Grok Inu in there, and also doing AMAs and whatnot like that. You guys will not miss out on any money bag alerts. This is a money bag alert. We're gonna see if we can fill this BNB pre-sale up and see what comes of this one. Stay tuned, because we're gonna be dropping more videos. I want to see if we catch one of these Grok Inus, or Elon Musk says Grocky anything, Grok this, Grok that, and next thing you know, we're sitting at $100 and some million market cap, billion-dollar market cap. Who knows? Because the possibilities are endless. I do like to see that this is active right away. What are the followers at right now? We got the followers at 1,800 followers already, following 40 people. So keep that in mind. Introducing baby Grok Inu, the latest innovation, riding the wave of AI technology, created in the vein of Elon Musk's groundbreaking Grok AI software. So that's something we're going to keep in mind. Hopefully Elon Musk does another Grok tweet. We see that everybody else is following that kind of trend. So something else is happening with that as far as, following. We got baby Grok Alita. So something's happening. I want to make sure that I catch one of these. I'm sure we're going to catch a lot of them. So make sure you stay tuned. Bell notification lit. Join the Money Bags Mansion and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.